.USDT, so we're just gonna check out where we are, where we're hedging. You can check out my video from yesterday, but look, it seems a bit bearish. We break through straight from like major key support resistance that you can check my video again from yesterday. Yes, without a further ado, we're just gonna see where we're hedging next. All right, guys, so what we can see, we break through like a major trend line, so this is gone. We retest, couldn't do anything, rejected by the 21 EMA, and we've been rejected and went straight like with a fat candle with like a bit of volume as well back. So this one is kind of a big move, big sell-off, probably from institutions, you know, big traders and money makers that try to liquidate people, because you can think as well of like a lot how many people has interest and they stop loss on this area. So this being like I think a bloodbath in certain way. Now you can take a screenshot from like that. I can help you on that. But where are the next major key support resistance that we want to bounce back and we don't want to close below $4.33? So you can mark it, writing down on the paper somewhere somehow, but that's the next one that we're going to revisiting, guys. That's obvious. We want, you see this little gap, we really want to visiting, so it's gonna act as a money magnet. We are on a Friday, we're heading to Saturday, Sunday, low volatility in the market. So, and we cannot deny that that's the direction that for the next few, let's say 48 hours, that's where we're heading now. Are we gonna get like a little bounce back, like as a bounce relief? Potentially, but it's obvious that we want to go to all the way to $4.33. Now, best case scenario, and we really want, because this is acting as a very strong one, we bounce and we break. That's one thing, right? But is it plausible? Yes. After the next stop where we got like major key support interest in this market is here. So not as well like $4, a rounding number, but like around $4 is the main area of interest that if we break through like a butter, we make like a third candle like this, we go like this, just gonna make it something easy. We get rejected around like $4.33. Expect this all the way down to $4. Is it plausible? Yes. But in terms of probability, I think like we're going to visit like lower price, definitely. That's what some other confluence indicator and as well like some news that suggests that we go lower. But again, when you got like fear in the market, it's just we're going to see a lot of volatility in terms of weeks, just to stop out people. But we want to see like a full candle closed. Now, but we can see that on a bigger time frame, when we're zooming out, we reassess everything if we go under $3.82. Close body, like we really need to readjust everything. Is it, again, is it on the picture on the short term? I think we need to break first $4.33 and then $4. And then we can really, in terms of risk management, adjust from there. But so far, so good in terms of opportunities. If you have some dry powder on the sides, I think it's going to get like a good interest. So stay tuned, because I'm just gonna keep following for the next few days. Like give or take like 24 hours, 48 hours, we should have some maybe a relief bounce and see from there. On the bullish side, we want to break this trend line at some point. So like we want just to see some, where is a little pen? I should have some little pen somewhere. Well, I'm just gonna, here we go. If we do this, something like this, break, retest, we are good, you know. But if we break down, we need to be more careful of, it's gonna be great interest, that's 100%, that's gonna be amazing. But we need to pay attention, because like I said, this market has been acting very weirdly recently. The Bitcoin dominance is still very high. So if some altcoins has to bleed first, it's going to be all the altcoins and the riskiest one. You can see that like Ethereum went through like a butter again, like this one. DOT as well. Bitcoin's strong one, so bounce more on the higher ones, so it's gonna be difficult to bringing down, but still, like, you can check my video that I made for today and from yesterday. And Solana are still on the major trend line, but check out my video and you're gonna have a better understanding of what's happening. Now expect lower price on the short terms, and we just need to be patient to get like some really good entries, and just stay tuned for the update that I will make it for you guys. So guys, on that note, that's the update for Polkadot USDT on a short time frame where we're hedging for this weekend. And you can check same as usual, all in the descriptions, all the crypto deals for exchanges, protecting your asset with crypto ledgers and so on. And it's always good to have a little deal and little bonuses. All right, on that note guys, have a fantastic Friday, and talk to you soon for another video. Bye bye.